So student, let's continue our class. Okay, Alok, good morning. Okay. So everyone, please join our school purpose link and join your class. Okay. Okay, good morning, Raju. Also, please join our link as soon as possible. Student, please join our link and let's continue our next class. जी सर हो गया मेरा हो गया Divya saying good morning also. Please, you have a question about what is the difference between atom and element. Atom is a needy part of matter or teeny part of matters. Sorry, teeny part of matters also we also called it only for one part of substance, which is such a example as the sodium atoms, chlorine atoms, hydrogen atoms, helium atom also. And element is number of billion atom. Okay, number of billion atom they will be made element. Only for element is or pure element or pure substance, which is a pure substance also one part of way, one is element. So element is the number of atoms is connected to each other and they are made element. Copper element means it also related to atoms, and element is a particularly part of way where atomic part is related. Without atom, the element is does not start or does not called about element or any substance. मान लीजिए मैं हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं क्योंकि आपको बहुत सारे लोग का कमेंट आ रहा है सर हिंदी से समझाइए. कॉपर का एक बना हुआ एक जैसे कि आप मान लीजिए कटोरी है, ऐसे कुछ टाइप का है जैसे हम लोग पानी पीते हैं कुछ सामान रखते हैं जिसमें, तो उसमें कितना नंबर ऑफ एटम्स है, उसमें नंबर ऑफ कॉपर एटम कितना है, तो प्योर कॉपर से बना हुआ है. तो वी आर डज नॉट ट्रूली or correctly about this information because we are does not calculate all type of atoms where are present in there. So we have a doubt number of huge type of atom is present in there. Okay, so we have at first what quantity it will be needed, the number which part it will be made by. तो ये कौन सा मेटल के अंतर्गत इसको बनाया गया है इसको कॉपर. तो कॉपर इज ए एटम, billion of copper atom they are connected to each other, they build pure substance. And element is also present in there. Which element is copper. So element is a pronoun or noun position or noun, it's called noun or proper form of any part, which part it will be made of. Okay, atom, this is the needy part of or particle of matters. Okay, so have any doubts about this purpose? Nilam Niskar, maths teacher is absent. I am extremely sorry to say maths teacher Santosh sir is absent, and you are also continuing your such a current class which is chemistry. Okay, Subham Singh, yes sir. Pushpam not present. Who are not present? Who is not present? Good morning, sir. Okay, good morning. Sir, no problem. Okay. So we have an example. Or I also describe about what is the actual definition of element, and you are also more clear more than about this concept or description which I already suggest about it. Okay, the definition of element is The definition of element is those pure chemical substances which are made of only one kind of atom. Means the types of atom is one. Means copper pot is made by only for copper atoms. Okay, they are does not present in zinc or other metals. That is also made by, when it will be made, you also the who are prepared to this type of pots, they are also mixing any part of oil. Only for element will be called to this type of atom, but to this kind of type of atom will be present in there. Okay, I also cleared it. Those pure chemical substance, those pure chemical substance, substances means which type of substance are also present in there. With substances which are made of, which are made of only one kind of atom. Only one kind of atom. So element we already says that चाहे ये जितना सारी कॉपर इसके साथ अंदर हो जाए, लेकिन सिर्फ कॉपर ही होना चाहिए, तभी इसको हम लोग एलिमेंट कह जाते हैं. लेकिन atoms number of one, each tiny particle is called atom. And to this type of atom, only copper purpose is copper, zinc is zinc, then it will be called element. So those pure chemical substance which are made of only one kind of atom, means copper pot is made by only copper atom, zinc pot is made by only zinc atom, ferrous any substance is made by ferrous atom. So then we will be called the definition of element of pure substance. Okay. So there are still huge or billion type of atoms will be present also in there, but only for one type. Number of billion type, but only for one type. Type is one. Means copper pot has a copper pot is made by only copper. That which is such an example with the copper pot. Copper pot is made by copper element. The billion atoms of billion atoms of copper, billion atoms of copper, okay. Copper pot is made by billions atoms of copper, okay. So they are only for one kind of atom is present in there. Okay. चाहे वो लाखों हो जाए, हजारों हो जाए, जितना हो जाए, लेकिन सिर्फ कॉपर का ही रहेगा. अब समझ आया क्या? आपका डबल बन गया. कोई दिक्कत नहीं से. So we clearly says that element is those pure chemical substance which are made up of only one kind of atoms. Okay. So it clearly says that atom is a teeny particle of matter, but element is number of billion type of made or billion type of atoms are made or create a element. Okay. So we have clearly defined or what is actual difference between element and atom. So atom is a teeny part of particle of matter, okay, and number of atom such as to this type of or only one kind part of made are of only one kind part of atoms, and they are when we are counting. This is the next point follows only for one kind. Example as a copper. So only for one type is copper. Copper is atom. So what is the difference between copper and element? So billion of copper atom they are connected to each other. Then we call a copper pot such as like as example a copper pot, copper plate or copper wire. We also called it. This is the definition of element or also called also element. So we are also clear students what is atom and what is element different or what is element and what is atom also and what is the difference between them. So difference between them is we are definite it's clearly so definition is different it's so easy how to different one and which part of it we already defined it. Okay, so there is no problem. Aman Kumar, sir, 45 minutes is completed. Okay, I have known about this. Because the technical issues are absent your mathematics teacher, I have continued to this class. Okay. Please, you are stay in my class and I have explained and you also respond about this. Okay. So I also give such an example have number of atoms and elements also. And what is his symbol? Okay, you are continuing with me. You are already knows that the aluminium symbol is Al, Cu symbol is Cu, and so difficult part will be comes from antimony, Bismarck. What is uranium? Uranium also you are knows that not a metal but element. This uranium also a atom also and number of huge number of billion type or number of more than one type atoms are present also called element because we are also see clearly in a definition those pure chemical substance which are made of only one kind of atoms. Okay, so we are also called it so number in our periodic table every atoms we call every atom is a part of element. We also called it clearly. So have any doubt about this purpose? What is atom and what is element? Have any doubt, student, about this purpose? Substance that is made up to only one kind of atoms is called element. Okay, good. This is the substance means pure substance. Is not a substance because only for substance is two part of way, one is impure and other is pure. So we clearly says that the chemical of pure substance means pure substance, pure chemical or pure substance. That is not a substance, only pure substance. We already detectified at first of all that is pure means it have no any presence of atom without to such a kind one type of or only one kind of atom. So pure substance is needed when you note down this definition or write down this definition in your example or in your exam or any purpose. Because the substance have two part of way, one is pure, other is impure. So this the definition of element is pure substance way. So we must be written when we start the definition does not substance. Starting at pure substance means we already cleared about that. The pure substance part is element also. There is only one kind of atoms will be present in there. Okay. No doubt, sir. Aman Kumar. Okay. Raj. I am Raj. No, sir. Shubham Singh. Understood, sir. Okay. Siddharth Kumar. Clear, sir. Okay. Okay. Let's continue the next part. And we also suggest also part of OA. There is also number of element is present in there. Element and symbol. So you have only a few questions in your Viva purpose or etc. Where you also give about what is the definition, what is the symbol of any element. Please tell me about some examples such as with respect to symbol, with respect to its symbol, what is its own symbol. Please written it. Then you have needed, but other purpose it will not needed. Okay. What is compound? Pushpam, please wait. I also come this point. Okay. Every point you will be cleared and discuss about this, and then I also comes next point. And which topic I will discuss, and you are already listened to this part. What is already going on, or what's purpose about it discussed? Have any doubt to this discussing purpose? Please comment me, and do not go to the next purpose. When I tell about you have all purpose or concept about according to your syllabus, you are completed or you have totally fulfilled of knowledge depend on this. They are also we also describe about element, atom, what is element, what is the difference between atom and element. Also is questioning this purpose. And completed to this part, I also goes to next topic. What is this problem? I also clearly says that which portion is continue, and please question about according to it and according to this purpose. And I also goes to next topic. Where is the part is compound? Okay. So there I will be discuss about it and details also. Give such a more example, and also I already cleared that what is compound in a previous class or shortly way. I also discussed about it. But when discuss about our following chart, then I also explained more than about this. Okay, Pushpam, explain in Hindi, please. Okay, I also explained Hindi, but you have CBSE board. What do I say? I also I clearly understood that you are does not comfortable or afford the English, and you have so doubt about any purpose, because I already used the with this type of word or vocabulary where the word meaning is so simple, and we also meaning out from them, and does not any word which was difficult for you. Okay, so you are trying to understand, because you are do not try to understand, you are does not respond your next time in English. You also need respond only Hindi. So try to understand English and which type of words that will be said about me, and suggest me which type of word. Okay, and try to understand. And you also repeat me this type of word, what is actually its meaning, sir? Please tell me. Then I also explained it to this type of word. Okay, so you have also knowledgeful, and you are also goes to fast than other. Okay, because you have run to your CBSE board, so English is needed. A compound is a substance composed of two more than. I already told about this rough urge. क्या नाम है आपका? I already discussed about it. What is compound And to this purpose, we are does not use such example where liquid and gases where like as a ice example as a ice, dry ice example as a dry ice. We also use, but to this purpose only for matter where low pressure CO2 and water they are connected to each other and they made dry ice. This is the also the two type of matter. One is gas and other is liquid. They are connected to each other. They made dry ice. This is the also referred to a matter. So such example is also correct or truly example for this purpose. There we will be definite about compound. Okay. So next topic means about element purpose. What is symbol and what is its name? Okay. Please tell me, students, name of a gas element. Please tell me one name of gas element. Please comment me, student. Please tell me. Santosh Kumar Gupta. Okay, time is over. Sir, please. I am only Mohan Kumar. Okay. Fe. No, that is wrong answer. This is the solid state. Ferrous iron, ferrous neon. Neon is gas. That's a man does not about this. Doesn't say about it because you are right. Also, neon is a gas. Okay, so hydrogen also maybe. Hydrogen means when hydrogen only a gas. Okay, you also cleared it. Okay, this example also right. Subham Singh, Amiju Puspam. Please don't such a comment. Subham Singh oxygen. Okay, that's also right. Please give an example. Carbon. Carbon is not. Aman Kumar. Carbon is not C. Carbon is not a. There. Carbon is a one type of element which is build a covalence bond and they does not such a behaviors of characteristics in a gas. Okay. Subham Singh, I am right, sir. Subham Singh, hydrogen, nitrogen. Okay, you are right. This is the gases. This is the gas example of gaseous element. Please comment me the liquid part of such example or give an example or an example, more type of example about liquid elements. Okay, please comment me as soon as possible. Fluorine and chlorine. No, chlorine when sealed it will be gas. Chlorine does not also chlorine. These are halogen molecules. These are not a liquid for purpose or etc. Vijay Kumar, you are right. Carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide not an element, it's a compound because carbon and oxygen. So two various type of kind of atom will be present there. So that is compound, not an element. Vijay Kumar, your first answer is wrong and second answer is marker is right. Subham Singh, bromine, that is also right. Okay. The number of two right answer comes to in our comment box, which are response. Number one is Vijay Kumar, his answer is mercury, and number two is Subham Singh, his answer is bromine. That's two are right. Is liquid element. Okay, the question is here. Subham Singh is liquid element. Okay, this is the question. You also give a right answer with this question purpose. Puspam sir, now knowledge is bouncing from hit place. Sir, now quite the class. Okay. This is the symbol Aman Kumar also right. B are also symbol of B is capital and R is small. You have a wrong or if you choose correctly, but B is capital letter and R is small letter. Okay, Br and Ga also you said okay. Gallium is not. Cs that is not also. Yes sir. Okay. Sir, I will send you example of compound that is carbon dioxide because I did not know about compound. I have a question about only for element purpose. Okay. Okay. So students, no more today. Okay, no more today. I am already discussed about the definition of element, what is atom, difference between element and atom. So there have no doubt because you are also clearly understood and I have gave a example and more described about this. Okay, so sir, please ask one question, please. Okay, Shubham Singh. I also give one question such as to this purpose. Acha, Aman Kumar, please tell me. Shubham Singh, please tell me. Can can we say the zinc, which part of element means which part of physical state of element? Please tell me. Zinc is stay in which part of stay in element? You have concept about physical state of matter. There is solid, liquid, and gases. Please comment me. You have concept about this purpose. Aman Kumar. That is solid. Answer is solid. Okay. So no more students. Okay.
होमवर्क दे दिए
नहीं.
कॉपी दीजिए
Okay. Goodbye.
तो 9 लेकर
No more 2 days.
थैंक यू